Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Revamp your everyday repairs with this innovative cordless automatic screwdriver. The ideal tool for all your screwdriving needs at home or in the office. Engineered solely for driving screws, this compact powerhouse features a 1300 mAh Li-ion battery that fully charges in just 3 to 5 hours from any USB socket. Although it comes pre-charged, we recommend a full charge before its first use for peak performance. Weighing a mere 0.7 pound and measuring 6.5 by 5.2 by 1.7 inches, it's remarkably lightweight and easy to store, making it perfect for quick, portable fixes. The package includes 23 interchangeable driver bits, letting you effortlessly assemble furniture, install fixtures, mount brackets, and handle general repairs. Its single-speed operation at 180 RPM with 4 nanometers of torque ensures reliable, efficient screwdriving every time. Designed for precision and ease, this screwdriver is a must-have addition to any toolkit, simplifying everyday tasks with style and efficiency. Introducing the next-generation semi-automatic driver, engineered to elevate your DIY projects with effortless efficiency. This smart tool features a slide action changer that lets you swap seamlessly between 6 versatile bits from Phillips and flathead to 4 additional favorites with just a thumb flick. Its efficient 4V Max lithium battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's ready to work whenever you are. Designed for convenience, the innovative one-handed screw-holding attachment keeps your screw in place while you drive, making operations smoother than ever. The internal rapid reloadable cartridge neatly stores all your bits so you won't have to fumble in your pockets. Lightweight and ergonomically crafted to minimize hand strain, this driver is perfect for prolonged use even in those hard-to-reach spots. Simply connect the included charger to top up the internal battery when needed. With advanced technology and enduring performance from Worx, this tool is a must-have addition to any reliable, modern tool collection. Upgrade your repair toolkit with the Fanttik Mini electric screwdriver, a compact yet powerful instrument designed for precision and durability. It delivers a high torque of 0.2 newmeters, a low torque of 0.05 newmeters, and an adjustable manual torque up to 3 newmeters, ensuring the perfect force for even the most delicate tasks. Ideal for repairing tablets, smartphones, watches, cameras, and other precision devices, this tool offers consistent, reliable performance. Equipped with 50 bits across 9 categories made from robust S2 hardened steel, the Fanttik Mini is ready to tackle a wide range of projects. Its magnetic case keeps both the screwdriver and bits neatly organized, while a smooth pop-up mechanism adds a satisfying touch with every use. With a rechargeable battery that powers up to 400 screws per charge, a convenient USB Type-C port, and a motor that reaches speeds of 200 RPM, this screwdriver makes tough jobs a breeze. Discover the ultimate workbench companion designed to keep your projects secure while freeing up your hands. Engineered for durability, this robust clamp offers an impressive 37-inch clamping range with 3 3/8-inch incremental adjustments, applying up to 2,200 pounds of pressure to ensure nothing shifts during work. With a maximum load capacity of 600 pounds, it handles even the most demanding tasks. Its urethane no-mar pads grip materials firmly without leaving marks, ideal for fine woodworking projects. The innovative 3-legged design provides superior stability on uneven surfaces, outperforming traditional 4-legged bases. When it's time to pack up, the clamp folds effortlessly using quick-release leg latches and unlocked wheels for easy transport. A foot pedal-operated mechanism delivers up to 1 ton of clamping force, all in a lightweight 43-pound package that's perfect for any workshop. Experience a new level of precision with our innovative clamping tool that transforms how you position and secure your projects. Engineered for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, It lets you set your work exactly where it needs to be for seamless wall fastening without ever marking or damaging the material. Its gentle yet firm grip holds your project securely in place, while no slip, no mar feet guarantee stability on uneven surfaces, even under heavy loads. When adjustments are needed, a simple unclamp lets your project glide out effortlessly. With a versatile 0° to 90° pivot and integrated leveling features, you can effortlessly achieve the perfect orientation, ensuring every hanging bookshelf or wall fixture is impeccably aligned. Whether you're installing new shelving, framing artwork, or tackling any intricate DIY task, this tool delivers the accuracy and ease you need for flawless results every time. A breakthrough in precision measurement for your workshop with M1 caliber. This patent-pending device easily clamps onto nearly any saw fence, letting you slide materials under its smart wheel, while a large backlit LCD screen displays accurate readings. Built with efficiency in mind, the M1 caliber lets you measure and cut stock materials up to 3 times faster than traditional methods, eliminating the need for a tape measure and pencil. It supports both English and metric units and works seamlessly with miter, chop, cutoff, and vertical bandsaws, making it perfect for executing miter, bevel, compound, and straight cuts on everything from boards to composites and pipes. Just clamp it on, set your blade thickness, and enjoy unmatched precision ideal for professionals, contractors, and woodworkers alike. Your ultimate solution to turning scrap wire into valuable assets. The Worx manual wire stripper is an innovative tool that combines simplicity with precision, featuring a hand crank that easily manipulates durable alloy steel blades to cleanly remove insulation from a variety of wire types. Prefer a hands-free approach? Simply attach a power drill to automate the cranking action for even smoother operation. Designed for versatility, this machine comes with 3 feed hole plates that accommodate wires ranging from a delicate 0.06 inches to a robust 1 inch, ensuring you always have the perfect fit for your project. Adjust the blade height with an intuitive knob to suit your specific needs. Feed your cable through the right hole and crank away to reveal pristine wiring underneath. Built with a reinforced aluminum frame, this compact, reliable tool is engineered for longevity and portability. Step up your DIY game with this innovative contour gauge featuring a locking mechanism that holds any shape perfectly. Whether you're replicating curves for winding pipes, crafting custom circular frames, restoring car bodies, or tackling intricate woodworking projects, this tool delivers precision every time. Dual-sided with both inch and centimeter scales and accented by a bright white marker for clear readings, it's as easy to use as your favorite measuring tape. Ideal for tiling, cutting, and a variety of home maintenance tasks, this reusable gauge is a versatile addition to any toolbox. It makes a fantastic gift for carpenters, craftsmen, construction pros, architects, and every handy DIY enthusiast out there. Presented in a stylish gift box, it's the perfect last-minute surprise for dads, husbands, or anyone who appreciates innovative, practical gadgets. Elevate your projects with a tool that brings both accuracy and creativity to your work. Step into a new era of garden care with the KOMOK electric pruning shears, a game-changer for any green thumb. Featuring a low-friction, rust-resistant blade coating, these shears glide effortlessly through wood while keeping sap and debris at bay. Crafted from SK5 high-carbon steel and powered by a brushless motor, the razor-sharp blades easily trim hard branches up to 1.26 inches thick without harming the plant, helping to minimize disease spread. This battery-operated tool comes with 2 2Ah batteries that deliver over 8,000 cuts per charge, and a handy battery indicator lets you know exactly how much power remains. The ergonomic, non-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for prolonged use even for those with arthritic hands. Safety is built in too. A dedicated switch prevents accidental starts, with an LED signal and double beep confirmation ensuring safe operation. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, its cordless design means you can take it anywhere, ideal for gardens, orchards, parks, and more. Experience unprecedented precision cutting with the 25-piece premium performance cutting wheel set. Each wheel boasts a 4.5-inch diameter, a thickness of 0.047 inches, and fits perfectly on a 7/8-inch arbor, making it ideal for all 4.5-inch angle grinders operating at up to 13,300 RPM. Designed with an ultra-thin 0.045-inch profile, these discs deliver fast, burr-free cuts that keep your projects smooth and efficient. The secret lies in our proprietary aluminum oxide grain blend, which not only ensures aggressive cutting action, but also extends the wheel's lifespan. For added safety and durability, every disc is reinforced with double fiberglass mesh. If you run into any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to help resolve your concerns promptly. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Elevate your toolkit with the innovative Potion right-angle screwdriver, a compact, versatile tool engineered to access those tight spots where traditional screwdrivers just can't reach. Measuring only 3.97 inches in length and 0.34 inches in thickness, its streamlined design makes maneuvering effortless. The integrated magnetic clasp securely holds any 1/4-inch drill bit, ensuring a firm grip for a range of tasks, from delicate sewing machine repairs and computer maintenance to assembling blinds, door handles, shelves, and furniture. Looking for a unique gift? Our mini ratchet screwdriver set features a clever reversible ratchet mechanism that lets you quickly switch between tightening and loosening screws. Simply insert the drill bit into the square slot and flip the button to change direction. Ideal for everyday carry, it's perfect for home repairs, auto fixes, or appliance maintenance. Say goodbye to bulky toolboxes and embrace this essential all-in-one solution for every DIY enthusiast.